Dollar Tree's multi-price strategy is working. The FDA issues marketing granted orders for Glas vaping products, and Walmart plans rapid remodels. Welcome to Retail Daily, your quick look at the top stories from Supermarket News and CSP Daily News. I'm Supermarket News Senior Editor Bill Wilson.
And I'm CSP Editor Chuck Yulee.
Multi-price strategy drives Dollar Tree sales gains. Dollar Tree posted a 5% increase in same-store sales for the fourth quarter as the company realized benefits from its multi-price strategy. Net income for the quarter swung to a profit of $506.1 million versus a loss in the year-ago period, following a write-down for the discounted Family Dollar operation. Net income for the quarter swung to a profit of $506.1 million versus a loss in the year-ago period, following a write-down for the discontinued Family Dollar operation.
The Food and Drug Administration on Thursday issued marketing granted orders for vaping products from Glas, an independent vaping technology company based in Inglewood, California. The products authorized include the company's Glas G2 device and its Blonde tobacco pod, according to the FDA website. To date, the FDA said there are 41 e-cigarettes authorized by the agency. These are the only e-cigarettes that may be lawfully sold in the United States.
Walmart plans rapid remodels. The retailer is rolling out a rapid remodel initiative for its neighborhood market stores that will include the installation of digital signage and other changes. Plans call for closing the main shopping areas of the stores for 4 weeks in April, while keeping the pharmacies and fuel stations open, the company said. The company said the remodels will aim to make the stores brighter and more inviting, including expanded aisles and reconfigured layouts. The remodels will also include enhancements to the store's online grocery pickup and delivery areas and upgrades to the checkout areas designed to reduce wait times.
Consumers are paying more at the pump. The average retail gasoline price leaped 57.8 cents per gallon in the past 3 weeks to about $3.59. Further pump price hikes may well occur very soon, perhaps in the range of 25 to 50 cents per gallon, according to the latest Lundberg survey of U.S. fuel markets. Gasoline prices are skyrocketing due to the Middle East oil supply crisis.
Heritage Grocers Group has a new CEO. The company appointed veteran grocery executive David Hinojosa as its new chief following a search led by the company's board of directors, the company announced on Friday. Hinojosa will lead the grocery retailer into its next phase of growth, with an emphasis on expanding operations, strengthening fresh food offerings, and deepening connections with the communities the company serves, according to the company. He recently held executive leadership roles with ShopRite before joining Vallarta Supermarkets as Chief Operating Officer in 2023.
Maverick has 2 people in new positions. Steve Rupe is the new Chief Financial Officer at the convenience store chain, a position he had held in an interim role since April 2025, according to a LinkedIn post. In addition, Brad Giles has joined the Salt Lake City-based company as Vice President of Store Development, he said in a LinkedIn post. Both moves took place this month. Prior to the interim role, Rupe was Vice President of Finance and Accounting at Maverick from February to April 2025, according to his LinkedIn page. He was controller from November 2019 to February 2025. Giles comes to Maverick after 11 years at Savory Fund, a private equity group that operates restaurants.
Seafood still does not appeal to the masses. Seafood department sales and units may seem stable, but the Power of Seafood 2026 report from FMI, the Food Industry Association, reveals a critical inflection point for food retailers. While overall results appear steady, the data show that a relatively small yet highly valuable group of frequent seafood shoppers is playing an outsized role in sustaining sales. Steve Markinson, Vice President of Research and Insights for FMI, said just 10% of shoppers account for 40% of all seafood purchases, making frequent seafood consumers the primary driver of category performance.
This November, the Future of Beverage Conference heads to Dallas, offering a rare opportunity for retailers and food service operators to come together and tackle the challenges and opportunities shaping the beverage industry. Scheduled for November 10th through the 12th, the event is poised to be a pivotal moment for an industry navigating rapid change and innovation. The event is held by CSP's parent company, Informa Connect.
And that will do it for today's episode of Retail Daily. Subscribe on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and more for your daily dose of retail news. For more on these stories, visit CSP Daily News and Supermarket News. I'm Bill Wilson.
And I'm Chuck Yulee. Have a great day.